And kill her dead alive, me I tell. Dead. Go home to your husband and leave me the fuck alone. Go and go fuck. Yes, 500 and me give it for me baby father. I me fi sell fuck too. I gave it to him. One head. Him don't.
Is
One head.
And I not is a eat and a fucking
Yes.
fucker. Is a name that
Sure did eat it and send him right home to her. She was calling down his phone for the whole time. I said, go home. He said, now that this can't happen regular. I said, as long as I have your regular $500, of course.
oh
Feast
shit.
at thy table. Feast at thy table. Yes, I do. Don't come.
Girl
Me a liar and me a this and me a that. Truth, me not tell lie. No reason.
I have a husband and you want
Fuck around me. Go ahead, go blood clad. Learn to fuck your husband good and suck him out good and leave me alone. If he was doing a great job, he wouldn't constantly begging me for something.
what the fuck? This is crazy.
I'm trying not to be disrespectful and rude because I have him head, you know. Shay, me not stay about it.
What's that?
You see that? You not have to tell me. Me know that.
But I don't want him. I don't have any love for him. And no, there's no love there. I have a peaceful relationship with him because he's my kid's father. And I him can come here. Even though him fuck me up.
Right.
You understand? Give me an opportunity to come here. You understand? Yeah, man.
Pinky, you not typing on the code. You did that type earlier. Why you stop?
No, man. She's so tight, man.
Type, girl. Why you stop type? Me not like, don't make Nikki cool, you know, girl. Talk, type. You did that type out Ross. Type again.
Yeah, man. He's hungry. Me feed him. Right now,
I don't know why you
food.
stop type. Type now, girl. Make me see you. You just miss the certain action. Girl, type, you friend? Type, girl. You just see that type a while ago. I tell myself to tell Nikki to leave you alone. Nikki,
Yo, moderator, I'm do not moderator, unblock TikTok mom. That's my mother. Wanna block her? Don't do that. That's my mother.
what type, girl?
Wanna block my mother for? Wanna unmute TikTok mom, please. That's my
Pinky
mom.
type.
Are you mute her?
Girl, type. What's your woman? Girl, you friend?
Alright, tell them to mute TikTok mom. That's my mommy. That's not a stranger. That's my mom.
Type, girl.
No, you may talk. I know you may talk. Then she said on mute her.
I lose that for you, girl. I tell you to type. The fuck?
Alright.
No,
I'm not trouble people, girl. I'm not trouble nobody, man. I stay to myself and grind for my thing. Me there at my house already. And him not give me nothing for the youth them in a two. For sure, no, all long afar, you know. And me can't get child support. And me get the 800 a month, right? And him not pay no money until it, even if 5 grand now come trying to stop it. Me do it. You know, some of them at my house and hear my door knock. Ice there at my door.
what?
Yeah, man, them call immigration for me and send me a yard. And when I come, let him in. He come in and them handcuff me. And then put my son on the couch. At the time my kids was in school. I didn't have the last baby yet. And he said to me, you know, we know you're here illegal. We know that you're John Tom, but you're here in Ari. And him could tell me everything. My mother name, knows me I have one sister. Knows my granny name, this, that, whatever. And he took the handcuff off of me and he said to me that my case, they got multiple phone calls about me being here illegal, and it was brought up into the court, the immigration court, but ICE throw it out. It's not. I'm not a threat to the United States, and I don't have any felony or misdemeanor or anything. And he told me that I'm gonna take you out the database, but you gotta get yourself together. You know, we're not gonna deport you or anything. And I am call immigration for me.
When Nikki ever go start out yourself, mama.
Me start out myself, man, in a way where I'm good. So when me hear what immigration, I laugh. I'm not 100% Shay, but I'm not at zero.
Right.
Okay.
You understand? Me have a process of things dealing with to the point where me can get him in a trouble. But I'm trying to wave that out the system out of it because I don't want to put me in no trouble. I'm a kids and father.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm a son. My son is 18 April. You know, it's like a lot of things me can do to put him in trouble, but I'm trying to not because he used to put his hands on me. I have police report. He take away my documents. He bring me here illegal, all of that stuff. You understand? And that's the first thing my lawyer told me. He can pay the consequence for it. Why are you holding back? I said, this is my kid's father. It's nothing to do with love. We're from the same community. He live over there, I live over here. He bring me here from my community.
Let me tell you something, Nikki. I always tell people, my baby father do my whole heap of things, but guess what? At the end of the day, we have to use the good and cover the bad. Because, you know, yeah, I can't, no matter how I try to eat for me one, I can't eat him.
The kids them alone, Shay, like you can't do it, Shay.
I can't eat him because I remember the good stuff that he has done for me.
Shania? Oh, they report my page.
Yes, I just
them say sexual, I not go so. Because we not over here talk about that.
right. I just want you to know, say, just remember the good things them what him do for you.
Yeah, Shania?
I use every little thing and go, one bad, use all of the good and cover the bad.
I don't want him to go to jail and I'm old stage, go to get locked up on them something there. So I try to go on the beaches and not do it. Because that's the first option me have, you know. Shania? Come here.
Just remember the
Do it for my kids them and like my oldest son, I have my 17, 18 year friend, my daughter is 15. They look at me and said, Mommy, don't hurt him.
Yeah.
I said, even though he do you bad, Mommy, don't do this. Wait on me, I will help you.
Right.
You know? Come here, Shania. Come over here, son. Come sit down, son. Come on. Ma, I got the stove. Come.
She's lovely.
Come over here.
I'm right here.
Oh, so this is his daughter.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
She's lovely, man. She's lovely.
Galan.
She's nice.
Yes, that's her. That's her. And as she met me, I just chill and ease myself because she love her daddy.
Right. She's pretty.
She love her daddy. She look like him too, more than me.
Yeah.
You know, she love her daddy, man.
She's so pretty,
But
man.
that's so life going on, man. Everything good,
Yeah, man. That's so life go, but
don't believe everything wanna see out there. I'm not a bad person. I will not provoke someone that doesn't provoke me. You understand?
you know, say no. You know, say to them, they on my live, and it's just that. You see, because me, I said to them, say, I've never seen you smile. You're always like in that. You're always sad. So you give me, it's like when I watch your live, me draw your energy. So me tell them, say, me don't know if I'm me alone stay so, but when I watch you, it's like you put me in that mood. So true, because you're sad, me draw your energy from you. So me I tell them today, say, me like to watch Nikki, but when she get in the depressed, me have to leave. Me can't stay. Like me
Shay not easy, you know, Shay. At 13 years,
I say not easy, but me I say me never did that judge her. Me just today me did that talk and me I say I like to watch her. She's a beautiful soul, but it's just that I'm so drawn to her energy. It is like every time she's sad and depressed, she make me feel that way. And me have to just come off her life instant. And me I ask the people them say, am me alone stay so? And them I say no. As she alone, and somebody say she's just venting. She, I say I understand, but it's like you just give me, me just draw your energy. I'm just like feel depressed and feel sorry for you and everything. And me I say, oh, I don't want another mood.
Because sometimes I just feel like the world is against me. When
Yes.
I'm not, it's not supposed to be so. Cause I'm telling the truth, but yet people are saying I'm lying. So it's like why come and tell the truth when they're gonna belittle you and make you feel like a mad person, like you're going insane?
Right.
You understand?
Exactly. They do it to me all the time. Some understand what you say. But it's just, I just some stay. I like to be around where it's more vibrant and energy. But me, I tell them, say, me never see Nikki smile yet.
No, man, I smile and teacher can't identity. Smile, man. But
Yeah, it's the first time I ever see a smile because I always tell them today, say, I've never seen Nikki smile. She's always, the other day my pastor live, I was crying. And I was like, oh my God, I can't stay right here, so I have to leave. Because I'm so drawn to you. It's like everything, your energy are drawn to me. I say, I have to leave and come out of that mood here. And I walk with my feelings for my face. So the moment you would know say something happened, something happened to me. So I say no, I have to come up. I may have just start playing music and just do my own thing because I don't
big up
feel like that.
yes. But just me's a warrior, Shay. I'm telling you, I'm a Sag.
Yeah.
And if I need to be a bully, I can be a bull. Trust me.
Right.
I'm telling you, I can be a motherfucking bull. But you say that you have children, Shay, you have to change your mindset and you have to relax. And you have to take all the pressure what come because one small mistake somebody is raising your children. You understand? I mean now wear no jumpsuit for no girl. I will wear it for my children. So I'm calm down myself. I'm gonna make people feel like me is a punk, especially my papers are right. Me not gonna fight no girl.
No.
Me not want no fingerprint and them
And
things.
sometimes to Nikki, I feel like if you just compare life and live a little. You know, keep the all depressing thing, I put it aside for a bit. But you know, it's too much. I feel like
No, mommy, I live with my kids. I do date night with my kids. We do movie night. We cook together. Sometimes we just stay home. I live.
Yeah.
But it's not everything I bring out here. Sometimes I just tell my kids, let's go to the movie. We get dressed up and we go. So I do live, you know. But it's stressing a lot because my children are not getting the fatherly love that they're supposed to get from their father because I have to isolate them because it's not good. I was here like 2 weeks ago. My oldest son said, Mommy, I want to go see my brother and sister. And I said, no problem, because he drive. I said, go ahead. He asked her if she want to go. She said, I don't want to go. He stopped by the store and he bought stuff for the little girl. I think the little girl is 2 and the little boy is 9 or 10. And he came back. And Shay, my son face light up. He said, Mommy, I see my sister and she's so beautiful. It make my day. He said, I put my brother in my car and I drive him to McDonald's and I buy McDonald's. And Mommy, it hurts to not having them in my life. It hurts that they can't come here and it hurts that we don't go there. Why can't you and Carla be good? Just for the sake of the children. I say I'm not provoking anyone.
Why can't Carla be good with you? Just for the sake of the children. Why she keeps being bitter?
Me can't bother. Me just stay to myself. I reached the point. One day she was at a cookout and she was talking about me. And a girl, remember she came here, comes to these people. I knew them. And a girl texted me and said, I'm gonna call you. Don't say nothing. And she put the phone on. She called me phone and make me hear everything what she has speak about me there. And I have it on recording.
She's just sick. Pinky is sick. Something wrong with you. Listen to me now, Nikki. I have no time for be bitter against nobody.
No.
My baby father have 18 children with all different baby mama. I only give him one because I tell myself, motherfucker, I'm just gonna breed one time and that's it, and I'm done. So
18 kids?
Yes, and after my child is not even the last one. After my child is 3 other more from my pitney.
I'm 3 different women.
Me and one good. Just one. Me and her go out with my girlfriend the other day.
That's
and we have fun and me and her talk good. She texts me, text her. Would chat, would laugh, everything. Man, I'm not having a bit against people.
And that's how it's supposed to be. That's how it's
Yes.
supposed to be, so the
Me
kids
nah, I'm
can
not
grow
trying to be bitter.
together.
Me not deal with that bitter something there. People on my platform know me I talk about. Me and I go out and everything. We good. Me
That's
not have time
good.
to be bitter. And as my baby father tell her, just be nice with it better way you be friend with Shay more than be enemy. Because be enemy with her not nice. But if you talk to Shay, we talk to you. Me not bitter. I don't want the man. So why am I gonna be bitter against? I don't want the man.
Yes.
I don't want
And that's
him.
the whole thing. When you don't want
Right.
someone, it sets you at peace where you can be peace with their
Right.
partner or anybody.
Right, nurse girl. Yeah, me no want the man. Someone if a bit against you. Me you cool. She
But
come up.
but some of the baby mothers might feel like because you're beautiful or stuff like that, they feel like their man and you still fucking, or the man this or whatever, and they get intimidated by you and don't trust you and then cause problems.
True. That's true, but me not have no time for be. If all of them want to talk to me, no, me talk to them. It's just that them scared for talk to me because them say me aggressive and me. But me I say if them want to talk, I would talk to them. I have no problem with none of my baby father, baby mother them. It's okay.
At this moment, I don't want to speak to anyone. I don't want to be friends with no motherfucker. Pick up your kids and go, motherfucker. My kids are big enough where I don't need no friend from no fucking stepmama. My daughter is 15.
That's
My
true.
son is 18. Fuck you and fuck your man. My kids want to go to their daddy house. That's fine. My 9-year-old son, by this guy that I have, whenever you want your kid, pick up your kid. As long as ain't no bitch in my son way, I don't care. I don't want to talk to no girl. I don't care
All
about
right. You know why we become cool? My baby daddy kids them, I grow them from them small. So they're more attached to me, them everything to me. So my baby father would have left them with him other woman and say, if you need any help with them or so call Shay. So them always be like, I wanna go by Auntie Shay, I wanna go by Auntie Shay.
Wow.
So she's always going to be like, why they always want to go by Auntie Shay? So my baby father make sure understand says because Shay grow them. Them used to Shay, them not really used to you understand? But Shay grow them. So every time they want to come by me, I say, but me talk to her, I tell her, I say, listen, if them are getting a problem, call me. If anything, call me. It's no problem. Because she get, you know what, one type of way, me I tell her, I say, don't feel a type of way because I don't want a man. I have a whole new relationship. So it's nothing like that. It's just that I grow them. Them used to me. So them always gonna be by me. Every minute they wanna come by me. So whenever she's there, they don't wanna stay by her. They wanna come by me. But that because me grow them from them small. So them get bigger and no say, yeah, it's all about me did it for them to ride through everything through me and them father in a relationship. Me always pick them up from school and do what a mother do. So
Yeah, because you're looking at it like this is your child,
Yes.
sisters and brothers. So
Yes.
you're gonna do the right things by
right.
them.
Yeah,
You
me
know?
not bitter. That's how me I tell her say that's all Pinky need for do. One day she come pick up your kids them, go on the house, make them spend time with them brother and them sister at the house.
Them used to go there, man. My kids them used to go there now. One day, don't show you what happened. My kids them used to go there. Me and her was okay, wasn't cool, because you have to be okay with people that have your children.
Right.
I was cool with her. One day, my daughter was 9. It was her daughter's birthday. It was her father's birthday. And she said, Mommy, I want to go to my daddy to see my dad. So we stopped by the dollar store. She bought what she wanted. She wrapped it nice. Pull up at the daddy house. It was cold, January. My daughter get out the car. She knocked on the door. The girl opened the door. She saw my daughter. She spoke to my daughter, and then she turned the door back. I said to my daughter, why are you still standing outside? And she said, I don't know. I got up on my car. I opened the door. It wasn't locked with the lock. It was closed up. I pushed it over. I said, don't you ever close the door in my daughter's face, bitch. Don't you ever do that. And me and her had a problem, so she go call the police. Anyway, my daughter end up going to her daddy. Him come out after the whole argument, because she had cussed me in front of my son. That time my son was like, hey, suck cat, girl, come out, come out my blood clot door. I said, listen to me, baby girl. You don't close the door upon my daughter's face. Ever a blood clot and I'm done talk. Let me tell you, I am a stepmother. And Shay, you have children with the man I'm there with now. And your daughter, you come to my house, Shay, and drop off your daughter to see her daddy. And me open the door. Me supposed to let your daughter in.
Right.
But I'm supposed to ask her why she there. What she there for or nothing.
No.
I should never turn the door and say I'm gonna go get your dad. You're fucking rude and out of order because you don't
Right.
love them.
Candy that outada.
You're rude.
You keep your cool and that's okay. Cause if I'm me slap you straight in your face. But me understand.
You're fucking bright. And then the blood clot idiot. So she go call the police, Pam. Mr. Make me call the police too. So police, blood clot police. Police come, the idiot boy come out. And tell the police and me come to come provoke the girl. Him same wife did not close the door in his daughter's face and he was sleeping. My daughter went in and wake him up. Not a man. Fucking shit house. So from that, me no make them blood clot. Go back, them kill me in my blood clot. Draws front.
Right.
It's a process with this girl. It's one thing after the other. When my daughter was 6, my daughter went around there for the weekend, come back with the whole her blood clot and burn up. And when I called the girl and I said, what's wrong with my daughter hand? She came on burn up. She said, anything me want to know must call my blood clot ex-husband. Me call my ex-husband, Mr. Wrong with Shania, and she accidentally got burned when Carla was ironing her clothes. Shay, my daughter have a burn right here so with the iron print out with the 5, 6, 8 hole in it. She have one burn up under yasso. She have one burn up under yasso. She have one burn over yasso. 2 on the left and right. And it was accident. Happened for 3 days and I don't know nothing about it. When my ex-husband dropped my daughter home and drop him in a one whole long sleeve shot. So me no see the blood clot burn. And when me take out, because I still did a bathe her, you know, you have to crop them, then can bathe themselves good. When me I take off her clothes, I said, what's wrong? Mommy, don't get mad at me, but Carla accidentally burned me with an iron. It's a me take off a blood clot. 3 days, maybe ever run if I don't know nothing about it. Me have
No,
picture
but
me and
accidentally burn with iron at one place, but yeah.
me see 5 different burn upon my baby and me can't go call her no, she have 15 and it's still upon her hand. The shape of the iron, the triangle shape with 8 hole in it, girl.
That's
How a long one under yasso. And the next and have one under yasso same way. No one call me and tell me. No one says nothing, and when I call to ask what's going on, I am a bitch.
Me not there at jail. Me not there at prison right now. You're crazy. Me not there at prison.
Me carry her go to the hospital, Shay, even though it was late to see if they could not make it scar really bad. And them said it's a 3 whatever burn. 3 degree whatever burn, and it's too late. It already infected with bacteria. They cannot do nothing to it. 3 degree burn. Yes. When me in the fucking room, a blood clot police and social worker come in pan me. Me say I know me see the blood clot address here. I just found out.
Me not there at prison. Me could deal with that. No sorry.
3rd degree burn, not 3. 3rd degree burn. Yeah, and them something that me I got through, Shay. I'ma just absolutely just stop. And say, you know what? Just love me youth them. Cause there's no way you can have a woman where you pick me and go till you can't talk to her. She always it's always this.
She ever bark.
Always barking. Always acting like she's God Almighty. I'ma just chill. Me good. Me can't right now. Told me 8 man to blood clot. Me can't. I just said it.
I couldn't deal with that. But I spend prison. But I spend
Me
like.
can't show it. Me have the picture them. No one call me and my kids around my daughter around them. And then them I go on. When they call my mother-in-law, my ex-man-in-law, me say, did you know my Shania got burnt? Carla called me and told me about it. But you know how you are, Nadia. Nobody's gonna call you. And I think me been, you know. And she call the grandma, tell the grandma. You know how you get when things happen. You're hard to deal with. But just cut out the whole of blood clot. I'm not deal with nobody, girl. When I say nobody, I'm not deal with not even the dog or the puss. I'm not deal with.
Rough.
Me I tell you, Shay, rough. Alright. Me go so now, me and my ex-husband left. And me and my baby father left, right? So me start date one girl. So me get a woman thing I try. I date a girl. Nice, everything good. She first I run with it. Cause me put it up in her, she run with it.
Oh.
Somebody call me and tell me say, you call her say yeah, fuck girl now. Why is it your problem who me fucking?
What is your problem with that?
Hmm?
That's not your business.
Everything me do is our problem and I don't care about the girl.
Oh,
She
that
first
first
to say
you.
so.
Mind your business.
Walking around spreading rumors, telling people that miss me I'm with a girl. And
So?
and she treats me 100% better than any man that I've ever been with. She values me. She loves me. And I feel like I'm a fucking queen in somebody's life, motherfucker.
Yeah.
So why are you talking about it? She was the first person to talk about it. I speak about it on my live. Like, you know, I'm dating a girl. It feels different than a man. I like the feeling. And stuff like that, me I share. She run with it and tell the whole world. She watch every live and I don't want fake page.
But look how you make girl reach her friend and she hate you.
No man, no, me make she come here, man. She good. I should have never take off that blood clot child support off of him.
Pinky, your life sad.
Pinky probably wants to pay a 5 days to get us up to who knows.
Nobody go cuss me no, you know, Pinky. You gotta tell me how bitter you be. You alright?
She terrible, man. I go straight, bro.
Nobody go cuss me no, Pinky. I tell you how you bitter, girl. You come like
Everything good, Shay. I just came over here to talk to you about it because they said you were talking about mine today and they said you wasn't being negative. So I said, you know what? I always watch her, but I never really go in. Tell her to come. Let me talk to her. And that's the reason why I make me come and talk to you. You
yeah,
know?
me did tell them today, so me drawn